All right, everybody, good morning. Sylvia here. I am in San Juan Capistrano, south coast of Southern California, and I am in a parking lot. I've driven here with my truck to meet up with triking and biking friends. I'm here with Leslie and Paula, and Paula's sister Sally is going to be with us on a diamond frame bike, and we have Rolf and Diane, who are visiting from North Dakota, and we know them from the recumbent retreat and tater tot, and so we're going to be showing them around the area, and it should be a magnificent day. Temperature is supposed to get up over 80 degrees. It is February, and but I think it's going to be just a sensational day. So yeah, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. This is a memorial birdhouse garden. Really intricate. Really, I think it's very, very beautiful. It's a really nice idea too as a memorial. So this is a really interesting building here. Police services for San Juan Capistrano and San Juan Hot Springs Dance Hall. It's quite a combination,
quite a combo,
right? Kind of makes you want to.
Cell blocks are in there too.
Right, you kind of makes you want to know a little bit more.
Good stuff. Keep
Yeah,
guessing.
yeah. So we approach this turn lane. Continue on our tour. Paula is an excellent ride leader. She pays attention closely to how everybody's doing, making sure the cats are herded and no one gets lost. We're headed into downtown historic San Juan Capistrano, which is absolutely adorable. And we're going to do a tour of the San Juan Capistrano Mission. Diane, Rolf, Sally, Leslie, and we're all pulling up to the Mission San Juan Capistrano. So we are in the Mission San Juan Capistrano, and look how much, like right away you just see there's just all these fruit trees just loaded, and it's also migration time for the monarch butterflies, and we've been seeing a lot of monarchs flying, and we've only just come in. And look how pretty these are. I think these are hollyhocks. Is that what they're called? Yeah, these bells, all different sizes. You see the date, 1776, 1796. And then they just get smaller. But I love the way this one has the rope wound around underneath it. Yeah, it's really picturesque with these columns, the sun shining through them. And then historical stuff. You can see a model of the mission in its day. Look how short this door is. But I'm so short I can actually fit. Typical dining room. So this is one of 21 missions that were on the El Camino Real. Churches. And here is the church. Father Sarah's church. So these are the ruins. And that beautiful window up there, it's really lovely. Oh, there's a wedding. Wedding photo session happening. Oh, look at that little sweetheart. Now here is a metal model of what the original Great Stone Church would have looked like. And this is what it looks like now from the same perspective. Quite different. It was ruined in an earthquake. I don't know if you can see this, but there's some monarch butterflies migrating through. There he goes. He's flying. Yeah, this beautiful fountain here with these lily pad plants. I love the sound of the water. And the sun on the flowers. It's quite beautiful. And all the green growth on the fountain itself. So we've had a very nice visit to San Juan Capistrano Mission. And we're gonna go past the newer church, which may or may not be part of the Mission Basilica Pastoral Center, so maybe it is. And we are on the Camino Capistrano bike route. Yeah, just really, really beautiful here, isn't it? Having a nice little stop at the ocean, taking in this beautiful scene. Absolutely gorgeous day. So, Rolf, how's it going?
Good.
You enjoying the ride? Yeah? Pretty spectacular out here, isn't it?
Now we get to go up.
Yes? Oh, look at these waves coming in. Very nice, huh? All right, Sally, very nice to ride with you.
Great riding today.
Yay, I'll see you back at the ranch?
Right? Yep.
Right, back at the ranch, okay. So we have just climbed a very big hill for this rewarding view. Spectacular. It's a little bit breezy out here. We've got some cloud cover coming in a little bit. But yeah, pretty nice, huh? And we've had 2 of our team peel off, so there's 4 of us now on this ride. Rolf, Diane, Paula, our leader.
But we'll see. We'll see when we get to
I don't know how the whales lose them.
So we're up on a viewpoint, higher up even still. And I'm gonna see if I can't raise the camera up and over this fence. And we can see a little bit better, but that's Catalina Island, 26 miles off the coast. You can see it pretty clearly. I think you can also see a thin layer of smog. Recording. Another gorgeous viewpoint. Hi. Yeah, there's a lot of people out here looking for whales. You can't really see the whales, but you can see the spouts. And this time of year, you can see them coming and going. They go down to Mexico, the mama's calf, and then you can also see them going north to Alaska with the babies. And with the babies, they stay closer to the shore. Apparently, it is a shorter distance. And we got some nice forming waves out here. And this beach goes to the Ritz-Carlton. There's a path that goes up to the Ritz-Carlton. It's pretty quiet. All right, everybody, so we're coming to the end of this ride, making our way back to San Juan Capistrano. We're just a terrific day riding through Dana Point, a little bit of Laguna Niguel, on just a spectacular day. We were right along the ocean, and then we climbed pretty good climbing to get just some fantastic views. And Paula has led the riding. Yesterday was just the two of us. I think we did 35-40 miles yesterday. And then today we're with Rolf and Diane and probably putting in another 30 miles. So it's been really nice. I really appreciate riding with people that know the area and are willing to lead a ride. And so let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe. Be safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.